When it comes to web development, I introduce students to HTML and CSS, showing them how to create and style web pages from scratch. It's always rewarding to see their excitement when they build their first website and realize they can bring their ideas to life online. More than just technical skills, I encourage my students to think critically about how technology shapes our world. Whether we're discussing data privacy, digital communication, or the evolution of the internet, I want them to feel confident navigating and contributing to the digital landscape. In an era where technology is everywhere, learning these fundamentals isn't just useful, it's essential. As a computer science instructor, I always tell my students that understanding technology is like unlocking a powerful toolset for the future. It's not just about knowing how to use a computer, it's about understanding how it works, from hardware components to software applications. Every time we troubleshoot a system issue or explore how an operating system manages tasks, we're developing problem-solving skills that are essential in today's digital world.